Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Achieversaddaugcnet platform. So we enter into final 50 days for the UGC NET December 2025 examination. In this video, I'm going to give clear-cut day-wise plan for the study plan for the UGC NET December 25 paper 1 and paper 2 your subject. So just watch the video till the end so that you can understand exactly how it can be implemented, and if you like it, please do hit a like button and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Join in our Telegram group for the regular updates regarding this examination, and do not forget to download our Achieversaddaugcnet app for the more resources like this you can able to access inside the app. And if you have any doubts, please do contact on our WhatsApp number which are given above. Let's start without late. Please do watch till the end so that you can understand properly. For the paper 1 and paper 2, I am going to take the commerce or management as an example in this study plan. You can implement your paper 2, whatever the 10 units are there, you can replace with this commerce, right? Simply. So this is our Achieversaddaugcnet app, sir. Just go to the Play Store and download this app, your e-study partner for all competitive teaching exams in India. Myself, Vodnala Shivalingam, for the first time, those who are watching me. 𝐴𝐵 Gold Medalist, NET JRF in Commerce and Postgraduate Diploma in Business Finance, NET in Management and Telangana SET, almost in the completion of Ph.D. There is a scholar, right? So this is our Telegram group. You can look at the schedule, sir. Before going into this schedule, just one small thing. Total 10 units are there. In paper 1 and paper 2, 10 units are there. Paper 1, 10 units, in that you can divide into two parts. Unit 5, mathematical aptitude, data interpretation. Unit 7, unit 3, reading comprehension. Keep it aside. That require regular practice, I will tell you. Regular practice means daily take one DI at least. Daily take one DI and practice at your convenience. From the previous year question, daily you practice 15 minutes one data interpretation every day, and 20 minutes daily solve 10 to 5 or at least maximum 20 questions of PYQs of mathematics, and daily 15 minutes do one reading comprehension from the PYQ. These are all PYQ, reading comprehension PYQ and mathematics PYQ, as well as data interpretation PYQ from the recent June 2025, December 24 and June 24. If you can do it, then it will be well and good for you. To complete this 3 units on a regular mode practice, it can bring you the 30 marks, 15 questions. So hardly if we may lose 6 marks. So as least as possible out of 30, you can able to score 20 or 24 marks. Now remaining 7 units of paper 1, daily divide your day into 2 parts. One is paper 1 slot from today. From today, one is paper 1 part. Part 1 and paper 2. According to the number of hours availability, you divide morning and evening, or morning and afternoon, afternoon and evening, like that. So starting from today, if you are starting from the today, just replace all this with your respective day start number 1 day. I am taking 7th November, that is today. You can start from today also. That is, however you are starting, start from the day number 1. Teaching aptitude, first complete the revision day 1 and day 2 also revision. Means entire theoretical revision of the particular teaching aptitude unit you should complete. If you are watching our course, video 1, video 2. Or if you are taking any self-study references, you complete your theoretical revision day 1 and day 2. Minimum to minimum 2 hours you need to keep. Right after that, day 3, day 4 and day 5 for this unit. Teaching aptitude related, previous year questions of June 2024, total 17 shifts were conducted. December 2024, 16 shifts are there. June 2025, 10 shifts are there. Total 43 shifts will be there. So 43 shifts, 5 questions from each shift it will be there. You can do this, almost 215 questions will be there. In this 3 days, this 215 questions of teaching aptitude you should complete. Thoroughly, if you are getting any new topic, make a note then and there immediately in a single line in your notebook. And while solving this question, how the trend is moving from June 24 to December 24 and December 24 to June 25. In teaching aptitude, how the questions were asking, from which topic more area is concentrating, like that you can able to get an idea. And on the other side, if you take a paper 2, Take any one unit. Here I have taken the example. According to your paper 2 subject, you can adjust this. Day 1 and day 2. Total 10 units, 50 days. Every unit 5 days every unit. So day 1 and day 2. Revision, if you are watching our course, revision course class 1 and class 2, which can cover all the topics of this particular unit. If you prepared by yourself, you can have the theoretical revision. So revise all the topics of business environment, international business as per this schedule example, commerce I have taken. According to your paper 2, you can complete the theoretical. And for the PYQ, day 3, 4, 5 PYQ, 2019, 20, 21 related previous year questions of paper 2 in day 1 of PYQ. 2022-23 related PYQ in day 2 of PYQ, and PYQ day 3 2024 and 25. While doing all this, almost 24 papers are there in commerce. Every paper is having 100 questions, 2400. And this unit you may have on average 10 questions from each paper. 10 question means 24 into 10 questions from each paper. So 240 questions will come from this particular unit. If any new topics are coming, then make a note in your notebook. If it is most repeated one, make a note in your notebook. Complete this particular unit in 5 days and move on to the next unit. Similarly for both papers, teaching aptitude and business environment. So in 5 days, one paper 1 unit, one paper 2 unit completed. Next 5 days, unit 2 research aptitude to 16 November research aptitude in paper 1, and here another unit of paper 2, 2 days theory classes, 3 days PYQ, again another unit. So next, after completing that, third unit, here also third unit, here fourth unit, here also fourth unit, here fifth, here fifth, here sixth, here sixth, here six, and almost how many units completed? Teaching, research, communication completed, LR, higher education, people and environment completed. Even you can add the ICT, because ICT has not been given in this. ICT 5 days. So ICT 5 days, if you can add it, then it will be going. Side by side, apart from these days, apart from this particular days, side by side, you should also do the data interpretation every day, one data interpretation. Data interpretation of which year question? June 2024, 17 DIs are there. Here 16 DIs are there, December 24. Here 10 data interpretation. So 43 data interpretation you can solve every day, one DI within 15 days, 50 days, 50 days, 50 days, and 43 data interpretation if you can solve. Every data interpretation one by one, we will improvise ourselves in the calculation, simplification. Slowly we'll get the momentum. But while practicing, please put the pen and paper for the maths and DI practice. Then only you will understand the difficulty in simplification to get the answer. We know the process, but simplification will take a time. That's where, to get a bounce or to avoid the bounce in the examination, practice with a pen and paper while doing a data interpretation in maths. Here 17 shifts of maths. Every day if you do one shift of mathematics, 43 shifts are there. 43 days it will take. 5 questions every day. So it is more than sufficient to cover. Now after completing this ICT, suppose by this time, by the 10th December or something, you are completing ICT. All the 7 units are completed. Daily practice of DI and maths and RC completed. Here paper 2, you are continuously doing all the unit till the 20 December. Then you can able to complete all the things, revision and the PYQ. Revision and the PYQ. That too PYQ of what? Recent examination only we are taking, not the old examination. Because these papers are on priority. If you are having a time, you can jump into the previous papers also, much previous. After that, I will be taking live session in this particular crash course. This is a crash course schedule, and this crash course is actually a full length recorded course. If you can implement, all the things are there. Whatever I have given in this, everything is given in the crash course. Just was the particular unit day 1 and day 2 theory revision. After that, PYQ class of 2024, June, December 24, June 25, unit 2 was that session every day. If you make a momentum like this, 2 hours or 2.5 hours for the paper 1 and 2 hours, 2.5 hours for the paper 2. If you can implement the 5 hours plan every day till the 50 days, till the 31st of December, then you can able to complete all the topic with a confidence. You can go for the exam. This is what the self-study plan with our recorded crash course I am providing. Even if you are not taking a course also, still you can implement the same plan according to your self-study material that you prepared. You can have the theory, later PYQ, add the PYQ also, right? In all these entire crash course of paper 1 and paper 2 commerce, paper 2 management, we are giving revision recorded video classes and their PDF charts. You can able to download and print it, and unit wise previous year question classes as well as PDF. We are not only giving 2024 June, December and June 25. We are also giving December 23, June 23 previous year questions also extra as an additional source for the paper 1. For the paper 2, 2019 to 2025 previous year question with explanation classes and their PDFs. Not only this, at the last 1 week, we should start with a CBT mode of practice examination. So that 41 paper 1 test series is given, 27 commerce test series, 10 management test series has been provided. All these are actually, both papers is 4299, but if you apply the promo code NET JRF in Achieversaddaugcnet application, once you sign up, if you apply the code at the respective courses, then you can able to get down this price to 2999, and this price is going to be the validity is going to end on 8th evening, 8th November evening, that is tomorrow, Saturday evening it will be ending. And only paper 1 or only paper 2, if you want only a single paper, paper 1 or only paper 2 commerce, only paper 2 management, 1749 instead of 2499. If you apply the same coupon code, you can able to get it. All are in English medium, validity will be 3 months. In this recorded course, whatever we are going to take the live session after, if you complete this entire schedule as per the plan, then I will be scheduling this my revision classes for all the units of both papers. I will be scheduling as many sessions as possible. After completing your schedule, I will be taking it till the examination. It will be continued inside this course, right? So this 30% offer with a code NET JRF, it will be applicable. Please go through with it. And here I will show you how to access to it. Just go to the courses in AchieverSadda application. It will show AchieverSadda UGC NET courses in the home page. A pink color UGC NET will be there. So if you just click on this, it will show total 429, but once you click on buy now, it will ask the login. Once you log in here, let me log in. So once I log in here, I can able to see you need to apply the code. Apply coupon code will come. Just click on that code, NET JRF, without any space, NET JRF you need to apply. And once you apply, you can see the courses here. So in paper 1 crash course, what is available, you can just see. This 50-day study plan, first you observe this study plan. Later, day number 1, go and watch teaching aptitude class 1, teaching aptitude class 2. Complete this teaching aptitude class 1 and class 2 as early as possible. Day 1 class 1, day 2 class 2. Then entire your theory will get revised. After that, go back to the unit wise PYQ. In that teaching aptitude will be there. Now in the day 3, start watching June 2024 PYQs of these 2 sessions. Complete all the previous year question. Even though 1 hour and 2 hours it is there, still you can able to complete within no time. Within 2 hours you can able to complete. And after that, December 2024 again in the day number 4. Day number 5, June 2025. The respective PDFs are mentioned for the June 24, for the December 24 and here. And if at all you completed within time, you want to explore the 2023 also, still 2023 PYQs are available. And if you click on this PDF, it will get downloaded, and you can able to download with this download button. So shift wise with a question explanation. If you can understand on a trend wise basis, it will be more useful to you. So same way for a paper 2 also. Paper 2, first look at the unit wise revision classes. Go to the first unit, B and IB, class 1, class 2, you complete it. Day 1, day 2 will be completed. Then day 3, come to the unit wise PYQ, open the respective unit, and unit wise PYQ 2019, 20, 21, complete in day 1. 22 and 23, complete day 2. And after that 24 and 25 previous year question you can complete on day number 3, which is PYQ day number 3. Total 5 days. One unit is successfully completed. All the PDFs are been provided on unit wise basis. Test series also been given. You can able to practice this test series. Right, this is how it will go. If you have any doubt, you can just contact our WhatsApp number 8309431132 or else 9666364708. But do not forget, apply the coupon code NET JRF. If you are still facing any difficulty in applying it, then contact our WhatsApp number. Right, we will happy to help you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And if at all it is useful, kindly share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do hit a like button.